Welcome back, guys, to the next video in our brush lettering series. I believe this is video number 4. I have copied a page out of my new hand lettering guide, and it is more than a hand lettering guide, so please go check it out. If you have found me from your purchase of the book, this is the interactive video that has led you here from there. But if you are finding me randomly on YouTube, you can find the book in the description box below. We have gotten to the point now where we are getting into our brush lettering, guys. And in the last video, we practiced all of our beginner strokes that take us to putting together our letters. So that's what this video is for. I have went ahead and copied a page out of the book. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. I want you to really get a good view of the tip of the marker. So this is a Fudasuki pen. There are some really good ones. The two brands that I like the best are Pentel and Tombow. This is a Tombow Fudasuki. Okay, so in the last video, we practiced all of our beginner strokes. So if you have watched that video, the strokes I've isolated, there's 1, 2, 3 strokes from that video. The 3 strokes here are the strokes that combine to make the letter Y. All right, so if you remember in the last video, we came in with the entrance stroke and went upward with no pressure on our brush pen. For the next part of the Y, we're going to place that marker and press that nib to give us that thick down line. Now, as we come around the bottom and come back up, remember we're transitioning from thick to thin. So we are slowly going to lift and release the pressure from the tip of the marker as we do that. Okay, and then the third stroke that you practiced last video is this one right here. So we're going to come down, we're pressing on that marker, we're lifting slowly and coming around to no pressure on our tip. So to put those 3 strokes together, we're going to come over here and we can trace. All right, we're entering, we're pressing, we're lifting up to no pressure, pressing, coming around, little pressure. You're on the tip of that marker, and there's our letter Y. Now, one you might see, and I've done it for so long, I will say I'm not guilty of, I am guilty. I'm guilty of doing it myself, is that I come in here and I will do the letter in one fell swoop, just like that. But my recommendation is to lift your marker or your brush pen in between each of those strokes. Break. In brush lettering, we're making words. Each word is broken down into its individual letters. Each letter can then be broken down into its individual strokes. Okay, so we are creating beautiful lettering. We're creating beautiful art in the form of letters. So we're not handwriting. Okay, so take your time. We're going to enter, come up. You can lift that brush pen right up off the paper. Go right back, press, come around, lift up to no pressure, up, lift that brush right up off the paper. Press, come around, lifting to little pressure, and finish out your letter. We'll do it one more time. This is one of my favorite letters to write, guys. So I hope that helps. As you come in, you will see each stroke for each letter in the guides are broken down into those individual basic strokes. So we'll do one more. Why not? Let's do one more. Oh, here we go. Where's my finger? Okay, so this is a beginning stroke, no pressure, going upward. As we come around, we're going to press, lift, and come up with no pressure. And then the next stroke, you can come in and do an entrance stroke. So two letters combine, or two strokes combine to form our letter X. Pressure, no pressure, and then an entrance stroke. Do it again. We're entering up, press, no pressure, and then we can do an entrance stroke. Let's go for it. Let's do one more. Up, down, up. All the downs are where we're starting to transition and press. Then we can come in with a entrance stroke. Okay? All right. So I hope that helps, guys. And I'm telling you, in your book, you have pages of my artwork, and scattered throughout the book, there are patterns just like this. Use this, color it, use it as a coloring page. Take this, transfer it onto a canvas if you like to paint. You can use this many ways. Use it as a template to create your own art, or just color it in the book. Whatever you do, just enjoy that book. Please let me know what you think of these videos. I'd love to hear your feedback on the book as well. I'd love if you would stop and give me a review over on Amazon, and let us know exactly how much you love this book. If you do not have a copy of the book yet, the description for it, or the description below, has the link for you to go ahead over and snag yourself a copy of the book. I'm really excited about this guide, and I really love to teach you guys my love of creating beautiful lettering and bringing words to life. I'll see you in the next video.